Namaskara. Today I shall introduce you to one more beautiful Sankirtana by Sri Yogi Narayana Yatindra. Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. Sadananda Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. The celebrated mystic poet of Kaivara, Sri Yogi Narayana Yatindra, sees the moon as the seat of Parabrahman and as the seat of the Lady of Liberation, Muktikanta. He urges the spiritual aspirants to go along with him to reach the moon. Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. Moon as a luminary has special significance spiritually, emotionally, poetically. As Sudhakara, he is known to be sprinkling Amrita Bindus. Even in our scriptures, in Devi worship, it is called, she is called as Chandramandala Madhyastha, the one seated in the center of the moon. Tataya, whose devout mind is always tuned to the Parabrahman and Nada Brahman, his Sankirtanas are so full of Jnana, Nada and Bhakti. So in this Sankirtana, he gives statements brimming with spiritual knowledge. Before I take you along, let me just tell you that after seeing my first video, one of the very eminent musicians had suggested that I must read out each charanam and give the corresponding translation instead of reading out the full Sankirtana and reading out the full translation. That way, the listeners may miss out the nuances of the Sankirtana. Thanking that musician wholeheartedly for the very well-meaning suggestion, I take you along through this wonderful Sankirtana, Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama, Sadananda Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. తల్లడించే తామసులను వెళ్ళవేసి వేవేగా వళ్ళు మరచి తారకమున తెల్లవారేదనకమనము చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా. Shall we go visiting the moon to behold the eternally blissful moon? Shall we go visiting the moon to behold the eternally blissful moon? By quickly throwing out those tamasic entities, by becoming ecstatic in the chanting of Taraka Mantra, before the dawn breaks, shall we go to the moon? Chandamamanu Chuchi Vaddama. మనసులోన భద్రపరిచి మాయశక్తిని మర్దించి పగలు రేయి ఒకటి చేసి పరమపదము కొల్లలాడి చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా. By destroying the powerful forces of illusion which are firmly rooted in the mind, by going beyond the time of day and night shall we reach the supreme Paramapada joyously. చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? పంచబాణుని పారద్రోలి కుంజరమ్ముల కూలవేసి మంటిమింటి రెంటి నడుమ ఒంటి స్తంభము మేడ మీద చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? By driving away Manmatha, who wields the 5 arrows, by controlling the 8 strong elephants, by joining the earth and sky's horizons, from that one pillared dwelling shall we behold the moon. When Tataya talks about this 8 strong elephants, he means the Astamadas, the 8 prides, the pride of knowledge, pride of wealth, pride of beauty, pride of this, pride of that, all those prides, they all should be curbed. Kaya prayamu sthiramu kaadu, savakasamu seyaradu. చిక్కులకును లోనుగాక ఎక్కువైన బ్రహ్మపురమున చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? This body and youth are not permanent. One must not wait and delay, not getting tied down by mundane matters. One must reach on to the supreme abode of Brahman. చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? శత్రులార్గురి చెంత చేరక ఇంద్రియాదుల వెంటపోక మట్టు తెలిసి మేలుకోట పట్టణమ్ములో సేరి ఇప్పుడు చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? By avoiding the company of the 6 enemies, by restraining from the influences of the 5 senses, by knowing the whereabout of the supreme fort, by entering the great city, shall we behold the moon? When Tataya is talking about the 6 enemies, they are the Arishad Vargas. And the 5 senses are the 5 Indriyas. The supreme fort and the great city, he means the Sahasrara, the highest point. One must aspire to attain. చదువులన్నీ చదివి చదివి చచ్చిపోయేదింతేగాని గుట్టు తెలిపే గురుడు గలిగితే చూడవచ్చును సులభమున్నది చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? The knowledge of mundane will come along till one's death. By surrendering onto the Guru, who imparts the real knowledge, it becomes easy to perceive the esoteric secret, the real knowledge. చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? నిదురలోన భద్రమైన నిద్ర యోగ నిద్ర అని తెలిసి ముఖ్యమైన శాంభవి ముద్ర చూసి యోగి ఎరుగును చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? Knowing that sleep, which is the best, the yogic sleep, engaging the mind in the principal Shambhavi Mudra, the yogi will behold the moon. చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? అమరనారాయణ స్వామి ఆది గురుని బోధ చేత తలచినప్పుడే తనువులోన తప్పకుండా చూడవచ్చును చందమామను చూచి వద్దామా? By the supreme grace and instruction of the Primal Guru, Lord Amaranarayana, by merely contemplating in the mind, one can surely behold the moon. By merely contemplating in the mind, one can surely behold the moon. What a sublime Sankirtana. Hope you enjoyed. Namaskara.